There's the house before the guests arrive. There's Reggie, dressed like a dork. Doesn't he look cute? And the girl.
Okay, there she is. Miss China. My shoes.
China White, baby.
China. Nice wig too, huh?
There's Reggie. Ooh. Got his name tag on there. Show him what's in your pocket. No, your back pocket. We got our boot magazine. There's Danny.
Hey.
And there's Nancy and Raven drinking beer.
Sure you get
What a party girl.
Ham it up! Ham it up! I'm gonna pick up one and be like,
And there's Joelle with her titties showing.
only in the light.